2009 Mechatronics competition. My name is Stephen Mascaro. I'm a professor who's been teaching this class for the past year. 140 students, which is a record for us. We have 35 teams of about 4 people on each team. Over the rules of the competition and tell you guys what to expect. So we had the Indiana Jones movie playing up here. That's the theme we've been working with. So we have here our miniature secret government warehouse, just like in the movie, and we have 3 of the prized archaeological artifacts from the Indiana Jones movies. So we've got the crystal skull, that's the one that's glowing blue here, and we've got the Holy Grail. So you can see that one's lit up like a Holy Grail. And back here we've got the Lost Ark. So we've got, that one's lit up to look like the Ark, okay? And so the idea is that each of our teams had to build a robot and program it to run autonomously. That means that once the robots start, it's hands off for everybody. So these robots have to be smart enough to do everything on their own. So just like in the movie, our our crystal skull will be emitting a magnetic field. So there's a very strong magnet in that one. And the robots have to use magnetic sensors to find that one. The other 2 crates, the Ark and the Grail, are emitting infrared radiation, and they have to use sensors to detect those as well. And so we'll be competing lots of matches where robots are matched up head to head, and the winner is the one who gets the most points in 2 minutes time limit. And so the points we have written up here on the whiteboard for those of you who can see it. So it's 5 points if they can load the crystal skull onto their robot. It's 3 points if they can load the Ark onto the robot. 3 points if they can load the Holy Grail onto their robot. And as long as those crates are sitting on their robot by the end of the time limit, they'll get the points for those. But they can also earn bonus points by depositing those crates in nets, these black nets at either end of the course. So there'll be a 3-point bonus for each of the prize crates that they deposit in the nets. And just to give these guys an extra incentive to make sure their sensors are working, we've imposed a penalty. So if they pick up a crate that has no prize in it, we'll forgive them the first time, but if they do that a second time, then they'll get a 2-point penalty for picking up a bogus crate. Okay, so that's how the scoring works.